Federal grand jury in Virginia indicted New York Attorney General Letitia James. The charges: one count of bank fraud, one count of making false statements in connection with a home mortgage. So you'll remember this. Weeks ago, President Trump urged Attorney General Pam Bondi to charge James, who is now seen here walking outside of a courtroom. James denies any wrongdoing. She did that in a video statement. Watch.
This is nothing more than a continuation of the president's desperate weaponization of our justice system. He is forcing federal law enforcement agencies to do his bidding, all because I did my job as the New York State Attorney General.
Letitia James there in the video statement. Let's go live to CBS News Justice correspondent Scott MacFarlane, continuing his late-breaking reporting. Scott, can you give us any details at this hour of the indictment, and how does it mirror her office's 2022 lawsuit against the president?
If you blink, you'll miss this indictment. It's so short read, it's just 5 pages long. Not a ton of detail here, but here are the 2 charges. It's a count of false statements to a financial institution, and it's a count of bank fraud. What the Department of Justice is alleging in this short charging document is that when she purchased a home in Virginia in the summer of 2020, Letitia James claimed it to be a primary residence, which helps you qualify for a lower interest rate and a better deal, when in fact she was renting it out for profit. They say she accumulated, in their words, ill-gotten gains of $19,000. Not an enormous amount of money for a federal fraud case. That's the allegation nonetheless. Tish James has unequivocally and consistently denied wrongdoing with the purchase of a home, and she has pledged she will be vindicated in court on all this. But what happens next is just that. She has to go to court. 2 weeks from today, she'll be in the Norfolk, Virginia federal courthouse that's near the home in Norfolk, Virginia, and she will have all the things a criminal defendant has. She'll have a defense lawyer, she'll face a judge, she'll be a criminal defendant, likely she'll be fingerprinted, have a booking photo taken, and then begin a federal legal odyssey against the Trump administration's Department of Justice.
No question, her feet are to the fire, just like former FBI Director James Comey's feet are to the fire after his indictment. Acting attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia, Lindsay Halligan, she brought this case forward. And by the way, for our viewers, she did it by herself. So do we know that if that will likely play into the defense's argument here?
It very well could, and that she did it by herself is not just unique, it may be somewhat unprecedented in modern times. The U.S. Attorney in a District of America, the most powerful federal law enforcement officer in the region of the country in which they work, rarely brings a case by him or herself into court. They've got people for that. They've got assistants for that. They have other line prosecutors. Lindsay Halligan doing this herself is distinctive. It's different. It could be a red flag the defense picks up on as an indication other prosecutors don't support this case. Halligan was the only name initially on the James Comey criminal case when the former FBI director was charged in Alexandria, Virginia. But she, too, will be in court 2 weeks from today. And Lindsay Halligan, in her first ever role as a prosecutor, days after being appointed by President Trump, has now twice secured indictments from grand juries against political rivals of the president.
Scott MacFarlane, wearing his running shoes these days, jumping between cases and headlines. We appreciate being able to talk to you. Thank you so much.